The filter liner provides the first level of filtration, acting as a barrier to contain dirt and debris inside the canister for dry use only. Hydropro's HEPA-rated filters are available as optional add-ons for dry use only, providing efficient retention of fine dust particles with a filtration level of 99.99% down to 0.3 microns. The foam filter cover is the second stage of filtration in the Hydropro series and acts to protect the motor from residual dust and debris lodging in the float mechanism. The Hydropro vacuums have the option of using an additional disposable sealed SMS or paper dust bag to provide an additional level of filtration, better dust retention, and easy disposal, leaving rooms with cleaner air. These dust bags are for dry use only. Please remove any sealed dust bags when wet vacuuming. The 76-litre vacuum is fitted with two European 1100-watt bypass motors with two switches to give you the option of operating one or both motors simultaneously. This provides extra suction and performance on those really tough industrial jobs. The Hydropro 76 is fitted with an 8.5 metre commercial power cord for easy manoeuvrability and extra reach. The 2.5 metre hose with a 38mm connection features a simple push-fit machine end connector designed for a convenient reach. The 38mm two-piece chrome wand is designed with a push-fit connection, is hard-wearing and easy to store. The machines come with one bent and one straight-piece wand for ergonomic use. This floor tool brush insert features a design unique to the Pacvac Hydropro range for use with a 400mm wide floor tool body. It features nylon bristles for gently sweeping and collecting stubborn dust and dirt from hard floors. This squeegee floor tool insert is for use with a 400mm wide floor tool body and features a design unique to Pacvac's Hydropro range. It features a rubberized squeegee blade that creates a seal with the hard floor and sucks the liquid into the vacuum. For an effective clean, pull in a backwards motion. The 38mm dusting brush lifts dust and dirt from small, soft and hard surfaces. It can be used to clean dust collection on ledges, between commercial machinery and textured surfaces. The 38mm crevice tool is slender shaped with an angular tip, allowing users to clean narrow spaces like skirting boards, door trims and window ledges. The large capacity 76-litre model has the added feature of a tip and drain system to allow for easy disposal of the collected dry or liquid waste.